In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the single crochet. To begin, we will need to make a slip knot to cast the yarn onto our hook. And then we need to chain. So we have some chains to work off of. I'm going to go ahead and chain 15. If you'd like to chain that with me right now. Now that I have my 15 chains, we can start making our single crochets. And to do that, we need to skip the first chain and start working in the second one from our hook. I'm going to insert our hook into this chain, grab the working yarn from behind, pull it up. We have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull that piece of yarn through the other 2 loops. So now I'm going to go in the next chain. I'm going to insert my hook, grab my yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. Insert our hook, grab the yarn, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. I really do find it very helpful to repeat these words when you're first learning. Now I'm going to work my way to the end of the row, and I'm going to explain to you how to move up a row. Now I'm on my last one of the row. I'm going to insert my hook, grab my yarn, and pull it through. So that's complete row 1. To move up to the next row for single crochet, we just chain 1. And then we turn our work over. So that chain 1 counts as our first single crochet in this row. So now we just need to chain 1 at the end of each row before we turn our work over. And then we go straight into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and just continue that until you work it to the desired length. So you can make a whole scarf just like this if you'd like for practice. I'm going to make a square, and then I'll meet up with you at the end to show you how to finish off your project. So here I'm at the end. I'm going to insert my hook, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut off my tail. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through, and then I'm going to tie it off here. Just by simply creating another knot and tighten it up there. Then we'll just take a darning needle and weave in my ends. There we've completed a granny square of single crochet. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you'll know when I post my next video teaching you how to do the double crochet.